Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's lecture, we explore a topic that has reshaped human history and continues to challenge us in the 21st century: emerging infectious diseases, with examples like HIV and COVID-19. If you missed our last episode on virus structure and replication, you'll find the full playlist linked below in the description. Here's a question: how can a microscopic particle, invisible to the naked eye, change the way billions of people live, work, and interact? That is the power of emerging infectious diseases. What are emerging infectious diseases? Emerging infectious diseases, EIDs, are illnesses caused by pathogens that are newly appearing in a population, e.g., COVID-19 in 2019, rapidly increasing in incidence like HIV in the 1980s, or re-emerging after being controlled, like tuberculosis in resistant forms. They often arise from complex interactions between humans, animals, and the environment, a concept known as One Health. Case Study 1, HIV/AIDS. Origins. HIV likely crossed from primates to humans in Central Africa in the 20th century. Impact. Since the 1980s, over 40 million deaths worldwide. Biology. HIV is a retrovirus. It integrates into the host genome, making it extremely hard to eradicate. Medical response. The development of antiretroviral therapy transformed HIV from a death sentence into a manageable chronic disease. This shows how science can turn tragedy into progress, but only after massive global effort. Case Study 2, COVID-19. Origins. Caused by SARS-CoV-2, first reported in late 2019. Impact. A global pandemic that has infected hundreds of millions and disrupted economies, education, and healthcare systems. Biology. A coronavirus with spike proteins that bind to ACE2 receptors, enabling rapid spread. Medical response. For the first time in history, mRNA vaccines were developed and distributed at record speed. COVID-19 became both a tragedy and a catalyst for innovation in vaccine technology. Other emerging threats: Ebola, severe outbreaks in Africa, high fatality rates. Zika virus, linked to birth defects, raising global alarm in 2016. Drug-resistant tuberculosis and malaria, re-emerging as old diseases evolve new tricks. Why do emerging diseases happen? Globalization. Travel spreads pathogens across continents within hours. Climate change. Expanding habitats for mosquitoes carrying dengue, malaria, or Zika. Urbanization and deforestation. Increasing human-animal contact, raising the risk of zoonotic spillovers. Antibiotic and antiviral misuse, accelerating resistance. Past, present, and future relevance. Past, the 1918 Spanish flu, smallpox eradication, HIV epidemic. Present, COVID-19 reshaping global health systems. Future, new pathogens will emerge, but with genomic sequencing, AI-driven drug discovery, and global collaboration, we are better prepared than ever. Why this matters in biological sciences. Studying emerging diseases connects molecular biology, ecology, and public health. It helps us understand not only how pathogens work, but also how human activity drives their spread. So that's our exploration of emerging infectious diseases from HIV to COVID-19, reminders that biology is not just theory, but a force shaping daily life. In our next lecture, we'll shift gears and uncover the tools that let us fight back at the genetic level: recombinant DNA technology and cloning, the foundation of modern biotechnology. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you won't miss our next exciting episode. Because understanding emerging diseases means preparing for the future of humanity.